Year 2010. Google released their first phone, Google Nexus 1. At that time, Google assigned HTC to make their phone, although later LG and Motorola was also the manufacturer of Google phone. But from Google Pixel, which is launched in 2017, Google started manufacturing their own phone. From then, Google started making their phone superior in software and user experience. This year, Google launched Pixel 9 lineup, and as usual, they used Tensor chip. Tensor is way less powerful than Snapdragon and also not so stable. This year, they have used Tensor G4 in Pixel 9, and the hype of Google Pixel 10 is increasing day by day. Let's talk about the performance. We all are eagerly anticipating the new Tensor G5 chip in Pixel 10 and 10 Pro lineup. We might see a significant boost in performance with the Tensor G5. That means better speed, improved AI capabilities, and overall enhanced efficiency. And we might see QC2 wireless charging support. That is the next step of wireless charging technology that promises faster and more reliable charging system. And here is a big one, no price increase with all the new specs and features. We hope Google will keep the 10 and 10 Pro price in check. In camera sector, we might see a massive upgrade. We might see triple 50 megapixel camera on the back, 50 megapixel main with massive 1 by 1 inch sensor and enhanced camera ISP, which will take better photo from its predecessor. A 50 megapixel ultra wide with more sharper edge and a 50 megapixel 5x periscope lens that will take even better and detailed photos. Pixel is working to make their videography even better than before. New Pixel 10 Pro might able to capture 8K 60fps video with better bitrate and HDR handling. It might have 24GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. In display sector, we might see 6.9-inch LTPO 120Hz AMOLED screen with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection and 4000 nits of peak brightness. We might see a massive 6000 big monster battery with 50-watt wide and 25-watt wireless charging system. At this time, Google is working on their software and advanced AI capabilities. That's why Tensor G5 will be more enhanced AI capabilities and more efficient than last year Tensor G4. That's why we're hopeful to get more advanced AI capabilities and more polished software from Pixel 10 lineup. Worth mentioning, above information is based on rumors and anticipation. So that's all information about Pixel 10 and 10 Pro lineup so far. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.